everyone, so in today's video I want to talk about a product called Boldplex Bond Restore Treatment. I don't know why I kind of say that. Oh my god, I literally can't speak. So it's called the Boldplex Bond Restore Shampoo and Conditioner and Treatment. So I got, they have like lots of different ranges. I think they're quite similar to Olaplex, or they're kind of like trying to be similar to Olaplex. So they have a few different treatments and stuff like that. I got the shampoo, the conditioner and the restoring treatment, which comes in a pot that's kind of like a mask. So I saw it on Amazon and I thought, let me give that a go. You know? So I saw it on Amazon, I thought, let me give it a go. It was £40 for the shampoo, the conditioner and the treatment, which compared to an Olaplex bottle, which is this big, which is £26 for one, much cheaper. And yeah, you'd be looking at paying like £75 for Olaplex versus the £40 for Boldplex. And I filmed it. So when I got it, I planned to film like a first impressions kind of thing. But then I thought that that's not really fair, because it's hard to know how you feel about a shampoo and conditioner the first time you use it. And I felt like if it was like a bond restoring shampoo and conditioner treatment, then like the more I use it, the healthier my hair's going to be. So I've had it now for about 2 weeks and I've been using it pretty much every single time I've shampooed. And I've been using the treatment every single time I've shampooed as well. So I haven't just been shampooing and conditioning with it, I've been going in with the treatment. So what you do is you shampoo first, then the treatment goes on, you leave it for a minimum of 10 minutes, but up to half an hour, and then you condition last. And like, my hair feels really good. This isn't like in any way sponsored, I bought it with my own money. I haven't contacted the brand, like this is literally not sponsored at all, but I like the shampoo a lot. And I feel like my hair is considerably shinier and healthier feeling and looking since using it. As soon as I put it on my hair, so because I've recently bleached my hair is damaged at the moment. And I'm not too concerned about the damage because I know, like I've bleached my hair before, I know how this goes. You just have to kind of like be really careful with it and use the right things, and like in a couple of weeks it kind of feels good again. But right now my hair is fragile. Like in the shower it's stressful, my hair feels so knotty and like it's like retaining so much water, and like when I brush it when it's wet I'm like, oh my god, please don't break, please don't break. It's like it's broken, it's damaged, okay? But this treatment, literally as soon as I put the treatment onto my hair, I can just feel the knots just slipping out. Like I can just very quickly start to finger comb my hair, which I'll show you a clip from when I was in the shower. My hair was like, there was no finger combing, you know? That wasn't a thing. And I know you could say like, oh, that's just the case with any good conditioner. True, but when your hair's like chemically damaged and then you put something on that allows your hair to not be knotty anymore, I have to think that that is like treating my hair, like that's doing something good to my hair. And in the last 2 weeks, I've definitely noticed that I can brush my hair now in the shower and it's fine, which partly your hair does just kind of get a little bit better. When you first have bleached your hair initially, it's kind of like, oh my god, and it's really dry and it takes a while for like all of the oils to naturally kind of like, you know, get back into your hair and all of that sort of stuff. So that would naturally have gotten a little bit easier over the past 2 weeks anyway, but I definitely feel like this has helped dramatically. And I actually feel like my hair looks shinier now than it did when my hair was brown, which is wild because that's just like not a thing. So I've also shown you some clips in like slightly better lighting, but I feel like you can see like even in this lighting, like my hair just has a really, really good gloss to it and it just feels great. And I will definitely, and I'm getting so passionate about this, I will definitely be repurchasing that, like without a shred of a doubt. I don't want to say that it's the same as the Olaplex one because I don't know that I trust like the technology in the shampoo and conditioner. Olaplex, I just believe in Olaplex. If it says that it's repairing my bonds, I believe that it's repairing the bonds. Whereas with this Boldplex, I've seen online that it's also marketed as a protein shampoo and conditioner, which Olaplex point blank isn't protein, which is why you can't overload your hair with it. You can just keep using Olaplex as many times as you want and it'll be fine. A Boldplex is a protein shampoo and conditioner, which already makes it different from Olaplex. However, in terms of how my hair feels when I use it, very, very similar. If anything, I would say that I prefer Boldplex. And it's almost half the price. No, it is half the... No, it's almost half the price. So, yeah, I'd give this like a good 8 out of 10. Which is high for me. Like, I wouldn't give anything a 10 because I just think there must be better out there. The only thing that I would put above this is still my Pureology. But that doesn't come with a treatment, that's just a shampoo and conditioner. But this is really, really very good and I would recommend it to anyone. But yeah, I think that's everything. I'm trying to think like, what else could I touch on? It's just really good and I'd recommend it. And I also have a feeling that it's one of them things, if it is a protein treatment, you should just use the bottle until it's all gone. And then once it's all gone, you should switch over to like a hydrating, moisturising shampoo and conditioner anyway. You don't want to keep using protein treatments and shampoos on your hair because you will overload your hair with protein. So it is expensive, but if you think of it as a bit of a like luxury treatment that you need to do as a one-off, even if it's something that you do once every 6 months, you like buy like a nice protein treatment shampoo, you know what I mean? Let it be this one because I believe in it. I vouch for it. Yeah. But yeah, that's literally everything. I hope that you found this helpful. If you did find it helpful, please leave me a comment down below and like this video because it really helps, and then I know that you're like interested in this style of video. Let me know if you've tried it or if I've like encouraged you to buy it. Let me know, I want to know. But yeah, I think that's everything. And if you're interested in these types of videos or similar, or just hair in general, then check out my channel because I've got lots more hair videos over there. Same as my Instagram and my TikTok, I post a lot more frequently on my Instagram, so be sure to check that out as well. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!